Wagwan Pong. Want you sell me something night here, you know? I'm charging them, I'm just go and bill out here, so. So now you sell me a buckle of Campari, yeah, some red stripe light and a rum cream and some boom and thing, you know? And fix up that with some ice and thing, you know? Yeah, man, I go and hold off the ends a little and go and play two domino and thing, you know? Yeah, man. Hello? Hello? What about scary? Why, I want to tell you, saying a piece of food land in my hand, you know? Right in my hand, the piece of food land, me I tell you, man. So me dey out and me say, pang ya, man, pan the corner, yeah. I want be two juice, me and Rasta. Forward now, man. Yeah, man, roll in. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, man, we just go on all the vibes and thing, you know? Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man. Forward. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Yeah, man. I'm going to be two juice. Yeah, man. Alright. So, Brian, I order a piece of food they land in the island. Because, you know, Rasta no mix up in a Bangarang still, you know. So, would I like you know, hold a piece of food that we hear you talk about, you know. I hold a piece of food they land in a Europe and you know, brother. Yeah, man. Because I man nah go down for nothing where I man no eat, you know. Yeah, man, and where I man no know about, you know. You understand? Because I know say you wanna work. hmm? I mean, year after year, mother send anything from Canada for you. So mother like you know order piece of food they land in a year and before we start partake of it, you know. Yeah, man. Because a serious time we are living in now, you know. Hmm? And you know, say Rasta no mix up in a certain things, you know, brother. Hey. Hmm? Rasta if you having things sort out the right and proper way. Hmm. So charge your mind where you deal with, you know. Because Rasta now go down for nothing where Rasta no do, you know. And that can tell you. You understand? Hmm. Yeah, man. And I just go and build up that little one thing, you know. Yeah, 'cause you don't know Rasta already. Rasta try to keep out of certain things. Yeah, man. Mm. Well, go on, Brian. Yeah, man. Yeah, when the eye short, you still, you know, say, I don't know, one nine night today, you know, but them not start sharing no liquor yet. So when me hear you say, a piece of food landing on your hand and thing, because I said, me can come go and be two juice. Yeah, man. You know, say a rum cream I like still, you know. Yeah, man, a rum cream I like, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, me kinda not too bad when you compare thing there, man. You know? Yeah, man. For morning, me a beat the special, so go and drink a rum cream, you know? Yeah, man, I'm feeling good in the night, yeah, still. Mm-hmm. But me I tell you, say me see all them down the road, them me I tell you, she run me I tell you, you know. But she not look my way. Cause she say nothing nah go on for me, she no want no broke man. But make she keep it up. You know? Me a broke today, but tomorrow me can wake up rich. Dada. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah, I can wake up rich tomorrow. No matter what you broke is today. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. That's what you think, say. Why, I want to show you, say, all that piece of food they landing on my hands still, you know. You know, say, I'm a grandfather, give me that money they still, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. Say, Mr. Reed, one taxi man, I'm going to come for the money, you know. I got church. I don't know where grandfather got church for, because if grandfather did not hear from God, grandfather would have known, say, him not fit hide the money. Yeah, man. But grandfather have full confidence in me still as a grandson. But I the wrong thing grandfather do. Yeah, man. Come here, tell you, say, if you know how I have pray to get her money. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, because I be from over the New York, they did promise to send me a tea. But I don't know what happened. Yeah, man. So, at 2 weeks now, me I wait for the money and me not get it yet. The road like said, she know say I can me I can her road, so she not send the money. Yeah, man. So, grandfather left the money, yeah, man. And send me to give the taxi man. You know the man where he drop in when he come from the airport. Yeah, man, the man he come still, but I tell him say grandfather gone at church, so he have to go check back. just, just hide off the money. Yeah, man. So I hit me have a spend. Yeah, man. Because grandfather he come down with a little piece of food. And he not even say make him give me a thing out tight and he know how things are. Yeah, man. So, even I bother to pre grandfather, yeah. Yeah, man, and me even all I tell him say if he pray for me at church because through me know me have my plan with the money where my give me. All of that grandfather still not pre nothing. Grandfather need to hear from God still. Yeah, man. In these times you need to hear from God. Yeah. No make sense. You go to church and I go to church and you not hear from God. Yeah, man. So grandfather need to go pray harder, you know? Yeah. I just I go and love it out still. Yeah, man. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. Every subscriber is very important. You understand? And turn on your notification bell. Yes. So that when the next video drop, you will be the first to get it. Okay? Thank you very much. I'll appreciate it.